Doesn't matter, nonsense. That's it.
Where do you want to take him now?
Just trust the process. Remember, we told you to trust the process. Today is your day to trust the process.
You have to be in the front. Wait.
Dave, remember, none of you should say what you see outside. Is it? Have we agreed on that one? One more and nobody says what we see outside, okay?
Okay. Is it ready? No.
What? Keep your mouth shut.
Sorry.
I wish I knew, Dave.
There you go.
I'm trying
Okay.
First
First
step,
step,
boy.
second step, third step,
No shoes.
another step down. Okay.
Is there anyone?
No, we keep going. We are going right to the other side. You didn't even blow the balloons, Dad. Okay. So when he opens, we're gonna shout happy birthday, okay? Okay, everybody?
Yeah.
When I go 3, 2, 1.
Happy
See what you
birthday,
got?
Junior.
See what you got? See what you got? See what you got? See what you got? Man, were you expecting this, Dave?
I expected a Cybertruck.
Oh!
A Cybertruck?
I'll say something even more expensive. Tesla.
Tesla? You want me to Tesla?
See what you
I
Come on, give Auntie a hug here.
I expected
What do you think about this? Is it good?
I was.
I expected a Ferrari.
Congratulations.
Ferrari.
Congrats.
This,
I didn't
this is a
expect it.
Ferrari.
It's mid. I rated 2 out of 10.
What? Did you hear that? No, Dave. No.
I made it a 1 out of 10.
I rated like an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, this is the correct one. You know it's hard to go.
10 out of 10.
I expected
10 out of 10.
I expected a Cybertruck.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. Not a 10 out of 10.
There we go. There we go.
But he didn't get his driver's
Oh
license.
my goodness! This is your mouth.
But and you still don't trust him driving your
He
truck.
got the driver's license. He got it. Who told you that he doesn't have?
Dave, your mouth.
Okay.
How come he's driving and you say he doesn't have a driver's license?
Well, if you expect him to drive well,
Does he not?
Dave!
Look at him. What is he doing, Momore? Is he driving? Oh, he's not.
Before they come and push you up. There we go.
well, do you trust him driving your truck? Since you saw him drive
You want to
the
go
car.
in, Momore? Go in. Go and enjoy. Go and enter Junior's car. Junior, go and drive him. Go
Just
and turn
around.
around and go.
Just around.
But
Go turn around. Yeah, go turn around, turn around, turn around. They need to test it. Oh, that Dave is. Dave expected something different. Oh my gosh.
a Cybertruck.
Yeah.
I don't even know which one is a Cybertruck. They don't know how I'm staffed to get this.
What's their own?
You
They don't
want a
understand
Cybertruck?
anything.
Mom, take it up.
Okay.